Hey there, in this video I'm going to share 3 different discount codes for Lovable so you get the best price. And let's get started. So first you need to sign up for Lovable. Therefore you will find my partner link down here in the video description. It allows you to sign up for free and you will be on the free plan having 5 credits a day and up to 30 credits a month. This is usually enough credits to get started, but once you need to upgrade you can click here on upgrade to Pro in the bottom left corner and it will bring you to the pricing page of Lovable. And here we can see, okay, we are on the free plan, but we can upgrade to the Pro plan, to the business plan, and to the enterprise plan. Let's start with the Pro plan because I think it's enough for most of you. And down here you can select the number of credits you need per month. I'm good with 100 credits. And first you can save a little bit of money. If you decide to use it annually, you will save up to 50 euros because I'm based in Europe right now. But let's see if we find a discount code. So therefore you can just click on upgrade and it will bring you to the Stripe checkout page. And down here you can see add a promotion code. Just click on it. And now I have a discount code up here. It's called Logically Answered. So just copy this, Logically Answered, and then you can click apply and you will see that you get 5 euros off for the first 12 months. So this is quite nice. And if this code doesn't work for you, you can just click on the X here, and then I have another one. I copy this and the coupon code is Symposium PC20, and when you click on apply you will also get 5 euros or $5 a month off. And if this doesn't work you can also click on the X again, and then I have another one for you. Just click on add coupon code. It is UP9Y42E. And when you click on apply, you will get a 5 euro discount for the first 12 months. And yeah, these were the 3 coupon codes I have for you. I will also link them for you down in the video description. There you will also find my partner link for Lovable. So thank you a lot if you sign up via my link, which allows me to work in the future and I can search more coupon codes for you. So thank you a lot. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And as said, you can also save extra if you click on annual billing. Then you have to pay the full annual price, but you will also save another 50 euros on top. So yeah, now you can just check out and you saved a little. Congrats to this and good luck with Lovable. If you want to learn more, here's my tutorial and I see you in the next video. Bye.